Hello everyone. I wanted to share a vintage Coach charm that I bought. I got this on Mercury. I've never ordered from them before, but I am looking forward to this and seeing what it looks like. So here's this nice, they packed it in 2 envelopes, which is very nice. And oops, let me see. I saw this and, ooh, it looks like it's even in the original packaging. Maybe it's not quite vintage, but it's not something, I don't think it's something you can get anymore. And let me see. It is the Coach Cherries charm. Oh my God, it's so big and substantial. That's awesome. Let me just cut this. Sorry. Here we go. Here it is. Wow, it's like bigger than real cherries. And it still has the tag on it. I gotta get all these things off. It's a keychain, but you can also attach it as a bag charm. And I have my chalk bag, my chalk Cassie crossbody. And I thought it would be really cute on the Cassie crossbody because it has the gold hardware, but it would also look good on some of my other bags. I'll have to play around with that, but in the meantime, I just wanted to share that and show that. I love it. Wow. I really, really, really love it. Oh wait, there's a little, there you go. So awesome, so much fun, and yeah, I'm just really excited to have it. You can see, maybe you can see that the cherries are a little bit sparkly, which is kind of fun. So that was it, just a quick video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, everyone.